Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff. Today in this video we'll have a look at this. This is 2023 Outlander regular gas engine base trim level. So we'll do a little exterior interior walk around. Gonna talk about a few great options that this one has, and it seems like just based on the comments that I receive around this car, it's actually quite unique of a vehicle in terms of wait times and availabilities and everything else. There's a lot of people who are completely happy with everything that the base comes with. They just can't get them. So luckily we have a few available right here right now. So there we go, we'll check out this. And it's also exciting times for a Mitsubishi because the PHEVs are finally arriving, so we'll be doing a lot more content coverage on that. So by the way, if you're interested in coming in for a test drive on any of them, Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam, BC, Canada, here is the place to visit. So but today the story is about this. So excellent value we have with this Outlander ES. So this is 2023, so they're the second year in. So 2022 was when the new body style came out, and it's been great so far. Demand is just so big all the time. Every time we get them, we sell out quite fast. Luckily we get enough cars so we can facilitate the demand, so to speak. So this one here, here's why it's cool. So there is a lot of things that come in standard with this. So we have the all-wheel control is standard, and we have the 7 seats in this standard as well. Now it may vary from market to market, but you know, it's pretty cool that all these things come in standard. So there's few things to consider if you want to upgrade. Basically this one doesn't have the sunroof, then you have to go with next one up, and you don't get power tailgate, you don't get the power seats. There's like, you know, those options like 360 camera and whatnot is reserved for higher trim levels. So if you don't care about that part, so be it. Like, this is the car for you because it looks like $1 million, it's great. And it's easy to customize as well. On this one, we're still gonna add the Outlander hood emblem, so that is missing here, so that is gonna be done. And what I've done many times before on the Outlander ES is I've converted them into these off-road editions, so we can black out this dynamic shield right here, black out these chrome lines that go around the across the grille here, and we do like black mirror caps and whatnot. And then because this part already is black from the factory, you don't need to black out too much, and it gives you all this black you know, feel for the vehicle. If we look at this as an example, right, so this is the PHEV SEL. So this one here is you know, plastic is colored silver, right? So this one is already black. So very good material, so to speak, for all your upgrades. Side view, we can see how, you know, these 18-inch wheels play really nicely together with this chrome line right here. And we put Outlander side molding on this cosmic blue, so basically matching the paint. Same side molding fits all 2022s, 2023s, and 2023 PHEVs as well. So if you visit my accessory store, mrmitsubishi.ca, you can place your order for these accessories, and free shipping to most places. Okay, the back, it looks really cool. I like the fact that from factory you already have the spoilers, so you don't need to pay anything extra for your Outlander to look as sharp as it gets right now. And same deal as in the front. So this part right here is black plastic, so you don't need to do anything else if you want to customize it and whatnot. So on this one we also put this bumper protector plate. It's chrome bumper protector plate, looks really cool, and again goes really well together with you know, Outlander badging here, the Outlander or the Mitsubishi logo, the side chrome things that we have. Okay, let's open the trunk. Okay, like I mentioned before, there is no power option on the trunk on the base. Okay, so those are kind of options to consider if you really want that power trunk. So you have to go with SC in Canadian market. That's where you get the power trunk. And the kick motion used to be for all the power trunk options, but right now the kick motion, due to shortages and everything else, it's only available on the fully loaded GT. So just keep that in mind. So this one here has 7 seats. So we can see the floor mats come from the factory already, which is awesome. And then 7 seats are right here. So those 2 seats, you can fold them down or leave them up like this, depending how often you use them, right? So this one here is the cargo cover. Obviously, if you'll be using the cargo cover, you know, you need to fold the seats down, or if you're using the seats, you need to put cargo cover underneath here, right there. There's a special compartment for the cargo cover and headrests for that. So okay, let's close it down. Oh, it's a little bit heavy, but not too much. So the other thing, that just be mindful that you don't have the keyless entry for your doors, right? So SE and up, you have this keyless entry with this button here. As long as you have your key in your pocket, you can approach the vehicle, press the button, and that gets you in the car. This one, you don't have it, so you have to manually lock it and unlock it every time with the key, right? So just keep in mind that. Interior, nice looking interior, no sunroof, right? A lot of people don't care about it. If you don't, then perfect, this is the right trim level for you. And let's jump inside and have a look here. Okay, push to start button, of course, starts up nicely. I love the steering wheel, nice thick steering wheel for the Outlander. When it starts, I like the little graphics that it's going on every time. That's kind of cool to see. You do have heated seats, so which is very important feature in the winter time. Super happy that we have that. Full controls on the steering wheel, so same steering wheel across all trim levels, so there's no difference there. I like these, like, you know, analog you know, RPMs and speed gauge, so it looks pretty cool. This one has also this terrain selector, right? So you can select your terrains like this, right? And then every time you do it, it changes the graphic right here. This part, to be honest, I haven't seen a car that I like this part better, even if we talk about, you know, luxury cars like, you know, BMW, Mercedes and such. So whenever I change it, it never looks as cool as Mitsubishi has made it. Same thing for Nissan. I've seen how they did it, but I just like the Outlander the best. So that's a great job from you know, engineers and whoever figured it out to make it look that beautiful. If there's one thing I think that goes really strong in favor of Outlander, it's the overall design, right? So we have very nice interior design. It looks nice, modern, up to date. CVT transmission. We have full climate control right here. Screen with backup camera, so you do not get the 360 camera. You have the parking sensors as well, and you have the blind spot information system. You have the emergency brake and everything else. So lots of options on this. Overall, very nice vehicle. Let's check out the back real quick. So for the back, always remember that you can adjust separately that seat from this, so you can slide them. There's this metal thing that you need to pull. Well, can't really do it with one hand, right? But you pull it and you can shift it back and forth, and you can fold these seats down, lift them up, right? Recline them a little bit more for extra room and whatnot. So there's many ways how you can find your perfect seating position. So there we go. We just checked out beautiful 2023 Outlander ES Cosmic Blue color. There's not too many ESs out there, but we have a few. Such a great vehicle, such a great trim level for the options and everything else that you're getting. And definitely, if you're one of the people who don't really care about options too much, you have super all-wheel control, standard, 7 seats standard, bunch of safety features like blind spot information, rear, you know, emergency brake is standard. Everything is there that you might need, right? So, but of course, if you want to spoil yourself with a little bit more options, there are some other trim levels to choose. And there we go. So thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope you like the ES trim level as much as I do. It's a great selection. I like it a lot, and just based on the feedback we get from the clients, many people like it a lot too. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you next videos.